Hey all, how's it going? Today we're going to go over the StealthGearUSA Fire Starter Kit. The Fire Starter Kit comes in this Nalgene bottle, 4-ounce Nalgene bottle, and inside this bottle you'll receive 5 tools that'll help you get a fire started. First tool that you're going to want to reach for is the trusty Bic lighter. We tested a lot of lighters, we like the Bic Mini. This is going to be your first choice for getting a fire started quickly. Let's say your lighter gets wet, or you drop it in the snow, or you lose it. The second option that you're going to want to go to are these waterproof matches. On the top of the fire starter kit, on the cap, there's a strike plate. So you're going to run a match across this strike plate to get your flame started, okay? The third tool is the ferro rod. The ferro rod comes with a striker and a magnesium rod. The magnesium rod is used to, you're going to scrape off magnesium shavings into your tinder to help accelerate or improve your chances of starting a fire, okay? So the ferro rod is simple to use. You take the striker and you basically scrape it against the ferro rod to create a spark. Like so. This ferro rod will last you a very long time. In conjunction with the ferro rod and the magnesium rod, we recommend using the StealthGearUSA fire plugs. The StealthGearUSA fire plugs with our proprietary wax blend will burn for up to 5 minutes long, giving you plenty of time to get your fire started. So you're going to want to take one of these, and we have a video on how to use these. We're going to include the link down in the description below, and you can watch that video that gives you kind of detailed explanation on how to use these fire plugs in conjunction with your ferro rod and striker. Okay. The fifth tool is the humble pencil sharpener. When you've exhausted all these other tools, but you still have your ferro rod and your spark, and you need to be able to create some tinder, you can use this pencil sharpener. You take a stick and you basically, there goes my bottle, and you basically use the sharpener to create these fine shavings, like so, of tinder. And obviously you're going to want to do this where it's not windy, but this can be a life-saving measure when you're trying to get some dry tinder, okay? Handy dandy pencil sharpener. So those are the 5 tools that come with the StealthGearUSA Fire Starter Kit. Get your Fire Starter Kit at StealthGearUSA.com.